Yes, good morning everyone. In today's video, let us look at calculating the total, calculating the average, calculating the highest and the lowest. Now, when you look at all of these functions, we can use it to calculate the scores for all these four subjects according to how I've listed them. Now, we'll begin with the calculating the total, and when we are calculating the total, we always use the sum function. The sum function adds all the numbers that you specify as arguments, which means when you're dealing with the calculating the total, we use the sum formula or the sum function of all those numbers in the range. So the formula that we'll use to calculate the total will be equals, we say sum, you open the brackets, the range, which means all those numbers within the argument. So all these numbers according to the range, and then the brackets. So this is our formula that we use to calculate the sum. After, we press enter to get the total. Now, after getting the total for the first column, or if it is a row, we have what we call auto recalculation. We will not enter formula here, we will not enter formula here or here. What we do is to auto recalculate by pointing here, and we do autofill. So we'll get the total for every single column or for every single subject. So that is how we deal with the calculating the total using the sum formula. Then when calculating the average, still we'll come down here and say equals average. We open the brackets, still like the same way we did with the sum. We close the brackets and then enter. So this will be our average. Still, to get the rest to this side, we do autofill and get the total to the other side. Then calculating the highest. The highest, we use the max or the maximum, which means we are looking for the largest value in the set of values. So we are looking for the largest out of all these subjects. So we'll come down here still and say equals max. We open the brackets, the range, all of those numbers that we are looking for to get the largest. We close the brackets and press enter. So this will be our largest within this ICT subject. We'll still do the same to the other side and get the largest value in each subject. Then the other one, the lowest. Of course, the lowest is the opposite of highest, which means it returns the smallest value in the set of values. So the range of all these values, we are looking for the smallest out of all those subjects. So all those scores will say equals mean. We open the brackets, the range of all of this, and then we close the brackets. So this will be our smallest value within this range or within all of these numbers. Then to the other side, we still do autofill to get the lowest of all these other subjects. So that is how we deal with the calculating the total, the average, the highest and the lowest score basing on spreadsheet. Thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Computer Elites Uganda. Let us meet in other functions in spreadsheet. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.